Welcome to another vlog with Maria. Sit back and relax. Enjoy! If you're planning a trip to Doha and looking for a luxury hotel stay, this suite at the Mondrian Doha might be one of the most unique options in the city. We stayed at the Mondrian Doha during our visit to Qatar, and from the moment you walk in, you can immediately tell this hotel is all about bold design and dramatic interiors. Right at the entrance, you find the first walk-in closet along with a guest bathroom and toilet, which is perfect for keeping your luggage and getting ready without cluttering the main space. Perfect. The suite then opens up into this beautiful living and dining area. I love how spacious it feels. It's perfect if you're staying for a few days or just want somewhere comfortable to relax. It is so spacious, and the furniture in the room, the interior design, I just love everything about this place. Now, this main bathroom is easily one of the highlights of the suite. The bathtub alone makes the whole space feel incredibly luxurious, and it's definitely the kind of bathroom you want to unwind in after a long day exploring Doha, because Doha is hot. But yeah, that bathtub is the highlight for me. Another great feature is the second walk-in closet, which gives you even more storage space and makes the suite feel even more like a private apartment. The bedroom itself is beautifully designed with a huge comfortable bed and the signature bolster that Mondrian brand is known for. It was really comfortable. There's also this separate lounge or study area, which is perfect if you want a quiet space to work, read, or just enjoy the room away from the main living area. The light here is the main character. The design, like the gold on the white marble design, everything about this place just screams, I need peace. I love it. Overall, if you're visiting Doha, Qatar and want a hotel that feels stylish, unique, luxurious and affordable, the Mondrian Doha is your place to go to. And this suite usually costs around $250 per night, depending on the season and the time that you book it. If you love discovering beautiful hotels around the world, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you would love to stay here.